guys, and welcome back to the channel. We are here on a holiday. We're finally back on another adventure, something we haven't done properly for a couple of years. Yes, we've been two places within America. We've been to Arizona, we've been to Big Bear, we've been kind of LA, we've been places which have always been a drive away, but we're finally here on an actual vacation holiday, and we're here in Baja, California, down in Mexico. We are very, very excited to be here. We are staying at this phenomenal hostel called Ventana Hostel here in Ventana, funnily enough. We basically decided recently that we needed to get back out on another vacation. We hadn't been anywhere, and it's just been work for such a long time, and we kind of forgot who we were, which is why I'm excited to be actually vlogging again. I'm gonna try and start getting back into it because it's definitely good for this guy up here, and it's definitely good for my creativity and actually getting to do things that I enjoy doing for once. But anyway, guys, we are we just got here last night, and this is it. Right, okay guys, so this is Ventana Hostel, like I said earlier on. We haven't done the hostel thing in quite a long time, and this is definitely nice to get back into. You meet loads of really nice people. We've met people from all over the world, from the UK, United States, Sweden, I think there's a Norwegian as well. So it's really, really nice. This whole place is a very, very chill vibe. The atmosphere is very, very relaxed. You've got a really nice area upstairs with couches and hammocks and a really nice view. They've got bunk rooms, but we aren't going to be filming inside the bunk rooms because people are staying there and it's just a little bit weird. But this is the room we're staying in. It's very, very chill. There's not a whole lot of electronics in here, which you can tell because when we were sleeping last night, we slept very peacefully. Obviously we've got the fan and the air conditioning, but we didn't have either of those on. It was completely pitch black. You couldn't see anything. It was really, really nice sleep. We were also very tired because we only had 4 hours sleep the night before. Within the hostel itself, there's really nice areas. There's a place where you can cook. There's a place where you can make coffees. There's fridges, which is dedicated to each room. There is a few rooms here, private rooms. I think there's 4 private rooms, and it looks like they're actually building another building to put more private rooms or maybe more bunks, I'm not sure, but they're definitely building something else right next to us here. Within the hostel itself, there's also places where you can have breakfast. They make you acai bowls, smoothies. It's a really, really nice place to have breakfast with a really nice view as well on top of that. You can also rent motorcycles and bicycles, snorkel tours, snorkel equipment. Like they basically make sure that you've got everything you need because obviously there is so much to do here. So that's really, really good. I'm really, really pleased we're here and really excited to see what other adventures we can get up to today. And I'm also going to be shooting another video just to keep you guys on your toes and make sure that you can watch the next video as well. And I will go in depth about more things you can do when you're here. It is not summer here at the moment, so it's not as hot as it is. It's still warm. It's around about 82 degrees Fahrenheit, which is this in Celsius. I can't even remember the conversion anymore. But yeah, really, really, really fun, really, really cool. I'm very excited to get out there. So one of the best things about this hostel is the sunrise, and you have the perfect view over the ocean. So guys, I would highly recommend coming to stay at this hostel. Not only is it an amazing sunrise, but they're super friendly. There's always a really nice vibe here. I've met so many nice people already just in the last couple of days, and I couldn't recommend it enough. Guys, make sure you do go and book it on the actual website, because it's I don't think it's on booking.com, but I would always recommend booking it through the website directly. It's the best way to do it. And I hope you come visit, and if you do visit, make sure you put in the notes, let me know what you think of the place. And for now guys, make sure you keep hitting that subscribe button, make sure you like this video, and hopefully I'll see you soon.